guys, what's up? Welcome to the next episode of Let's Binge. Just before what coming here, I mean, it's COVID time, so I'm just sitting and like watching stuff and like writing stuff. And I was just watching TV because I was really tired on Netflix. And Kuch Kuch Hota Hai was playing. I think there is nobody in this world who's not seen Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. And I was watching it, and I have seen it so many times that I actually know every dialogue of the film. Literally, like a tape recorder. You tell me to start, and then like I'll go on saying the whole film till the end. And I'm sure most of you guys, I mean girls mostly, would know the same. And I was watching it and I was seeing the scene wherein Shah Rukh and Kajol are in this park and it's raining outside and they've just gotten wet and she's wearing a beautiful red sari and it's such a beautiful moment. And then suddenly like Shah Rukh Khan goes like, dun, 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 dun. Obviously there's no music and she goes like no music, and suddenly the music comes out and they have this beautiful dance and very sensuous and so much love. And I mean, I've seen it so many times, I can't tell you, but every time I see it, I'm just like, damn, I want something like this. Like, what the hell? I also want like such a moment in my life to happen. I am still always looking for that ding, 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 ding moment to happen. So, and there are a lot, this is just one of it, and obviously because we've all grown watching Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and Shah Rukh Khan and everything, so it's there. But there are so many other movies like Crazy Stupid Love. Uh, if any of you guys have seen it, it has Ryan Gosling. And there is a scene in which he takes the girl home and they've just met at this bar and, she just wants to like meet him and like basically have sex with him. And he takes him to this beautiful house. अभी यहाँ पर हम बाहर में जाएंगे. If some guy like this wants to take you home, you firstly were not going to go, and even if you go, you're not going to end up in a house like that. And he goes and then like he fully takes off his shirt and he has like this perfect 6 abs, 7, 8 abs, I don't know how many. And he's looking fab, okay? And she's also like, oh my god, like, pretty excited and stuff. And she asks him, like, what's your move for girls and all? And he says he does the dirty dancing trick on him. I don't think anybody of us has ever gone through something like that in life. I don't think it's ever going to happen to us. But yeah, watching all these films, you really hope that you're going to meet somebody like that, or there's going to be such an encounter in your life, with somebody like this. And even for the matter of fact, Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, they went for this Euro trip and they found each other. I'm sure so many people after that, every time they went for a trip together, I mean, only guys or girls, would have thought, yaar, where is my Raj or where is my, I forgot her name, Sonia Anjali, whatever. So that's what I was just thinking. And I thought maybe I'll just share it with you guys because uh, I go through it so many times when I'm going out on a date or I've been to so many dates. I feel it like there's something missing, there could be something more that could be added to this whole thing. So I have somebody on board who is going to come and share his views on this rom-com influencing us and having an impact on us. And yeah, he's going to be here. Let's welcome Ayush Mehra. What's going on? How are you?
I
You
am
kept
good, bro.
you
How
kept
are you?
you kept me waiting for a while. I was
Like you were fully ready or what?
No, I wasn't.
That's
I
what I was
just
like. Fuck. I was like,
I
shit. Like,
I kept my stuff ready and then I was like I had other work to do and I was like I hope that's why when you said 7:15 I was like I'm more and what's been up otherwise?
nothing, bro. Work, time pass. Like, it's a
I was just talking about like how even as an actor and everything and stuff like that, if like I was ever casting like a rom-com or like something like you're not happy with it, I would definitely think of you as the first person.
how
First
sweet.
person. All our heroes and everybody like they inherently look like they're
Uh,
you know good at heart sort of
oh,
people.
how sweet. I
You know?
look like that.
Yes, you do.
How sweet. Thank you so much. And I hope I am that also.
Yeah, I
Uh,
hope that only Ashna will be able to tell us.
wow. Wow. After so many years of knowing me, she says this. Over the years, you get comfortable with yourself and you start exploring a lot of new things and start accepting yourself as well. So I think that has happened a lot with romance in my life and me. and I'm glad because I really like romantic stuff. Like I really
And
enjoy it.
half our population loves watching romantic stuff.
I like it's just it's just beautiful. Like you know what, it's and I really like the relatable ones, which are so simple. Like the mundane relationship is more beautiful than a new one. You know what I'm trying to say? Like for
Agreed.
me,
And every
probably,
day is
yeah.
more interesting than you having specific events, which you blow out of proportion. And
Valentine's Day. I don't understand Valentine's Day ever because I'm just like I feel like this is very cheesy and corny to say, but I feel like if you love your people every day, then there's no special day to celebrate it. But I will still celebrate it because if the
because
other
you
person
because
like
you have to.
yeah, because if the other person likes it, then I'm
You don't
okay
have
with
an
it.
option.
Yeah, it's okay. Like
You have to get
there's
the flowers, okay?
I know. Or otherwise, it becomes a thing.
You didn't do anything.
Given, you've not done anything for Valentine's Day,
That's
and
so
then you
weird.
start thinking to yourself, "कि यार, कुछ तो
Yeah,
कर ही
I'm
देता
like,
ना
people
यार."
are like, you're not going out for dinner or something. I'm like,
Exactly. Yeah.
no, man, I'm
And
just sitting at home today. Like, is that weird?
and Valentine's Day, you never get a table anywhere you
Ever,
go, man,
ever,
ever. And
ever.
I'm not. I know this about you, and I know this about myself that we are not planners of an event one day before. There is
One
no
day, hello,
chance.
book a
Yeah,
table.
yeah.
Never,
Yeah, there is no. It will happen 1 hour before, and I am not going to get a table.
never.
Most likely.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
that's what
So,
I like want to get into because I was just talking about how like that scene from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. If you've seen Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, I'm sure you have.
bro, 9 lakh times minimum.
I know. I was just saying I know the dialogues. You just tell me to start, and
Yeah,
I will finish the film
I'll
by
start.
myself.
Yeah,
By myself, I'll do character word dialogues as well.
yeah.
And that scene wherein like Kajol and Shah Rukh it's raining and she's wearing that red sari and that whole like tan, 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 tan.
Oh, yes.
Okay. And I was like, that moment has never gotten out of my head, even though it's so like,
Yeah,
it's never.
I know what you're saying,
And
bro.
it's just made me feel something. And even now when I go on certain dates and like the day has been amazing, I'm just like thoda extra kar liya hota to
वो नहीं हुआ ना
वो
यार.
ये नहीं कर दिया
ये नहीं हुआ
तुमने.
ना यार. इसलिए fail.
सब fail. So I wanted to just say कि I feel like as much as we love rom-coms and everything, I feel in a certain way it does sort of put expectations onto everybody to live up to like what we've seen in films.
I realized this later on in my life that why does everyone expect romance to be a certain way? The answer was very simple because you're the hero of your life. Like you're the heroine of your life, and you expect your husband or your boyfriend or anybody who's your partner to
Partner.
be the hero of your life. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
So there is a certain sense of he has to do something for me and I have to do certain things for him. So I think it stems, the basic germ of romance stems from there. And obviously it gets enhanced when you see Shah Rukh Khan doing this. So when you like that, then you're just like, yeah, my partner has to be Shah Rukh Khan. If it's anything lesser than that, then then he's
Oops.
not romantic in you.
Sorry.
Yeah, man.
Cancel.
And I am so glad that as we move forward our romantic films are progressing and there are
Yes.
people who don't say as much or don't have to do this
It's a little
to
more
show
real.
their romance. Yes, to keep it
matlab,
real, which
yeah.
exactly which is what I identify with right now, and especially with the digital age and digital series coming out, a lot of them, it's so real because you have like a course of 10 hours to tell their story, which keeps it real as compared to what you have to show in 2 hours
Two
as
and
a
a half
film.
hours and 3 hours. Yeah, agree. And what I like what you said, saying that the whole idea of romance is that you want to do something nice for the other person. It comes very like
Yeah.
inherently. It's very normal. But the fact that nice becomes 10 times double because we are influenced by another
For
film
sure.
is when it becomes like so like it's like an unnecessary pressure on your head.
It is like I'll tell you the pressures of like romance is how your wedding is going to be or how you're going to propose. Like that's something which
you should be worrying about it now. Now you've been.
I think we should do.
मेरे यार की शादी है, I want to dance.
Hello, when? This is not an announcement for that.
Yeah,
So
but
wedding is not happening anytime soon. I have
yeah,
to
yeah,
be
guys.
established in my career first, and then like we'll move on to it. But I will do an elan of it, like because I've been dating this woman since so long that and you know the worst part about this is that when we started dating, I did not propose to Ashna. Ashna was the one who proposed to me. So there is like double expectation of like she's,
Now,
yeah, now you have to do it,
now it's
and
your
I'm like
turn, buddy.
I'm like, bro, I'm like, how does this even matter now? Like, does it even matter? No, it doesn't matter. No, like we've been together for, but
And
then
yeah, I understand what you're saying, and also now when you propose, whenever you do, you all will
yeah,
have a conversation ना कि अभी शादी होने वाली है, ये है, you know,
I
let's like,
don't know, man.
but you all will. It's not that suddenly you will decide कि November, day after tomorrow, I'm going to propose to her.
Of
You know,
course,
and
it has to be decided from her end also. Like when
exactly,
if she's ready, or
there is
would
a
like yeah,
conversation,
there is,
right?
of course, there
And
is.
still, we know that we're going to get married. I mean, even our parents' time and all, my dad didn't propose to my mom, let's get married, you know, and
What are you saying then?
he didn't go on his knee, give her a
Knees,
ring.
ऐसा.
No,
Then
no,
how
they
did it
just
happen?
decide, just like we spoke, okay, let's get married in, you know, in 6 months and all, and the preparations automatically just
Started.
started,
Okay.
you know.
There was no like a propose.
No, nothing like that.
Yeah,
I don't
bro.
even think my dad.
But do you expect that like from your
Yes, I
boyfriend?
do. I do. And I'm तो like, भाई अपन तो filmmaker है. तो like,
तेरा तो आईफिल टावर के ऊपर होना चाहिए, नहीं तो फिर फेल
so
फेल.
like, you know, it better be grand. But you know, that's what it is. Like our
So he
parents.
has to go on Eiffel Tower and do this. Then that's how it'll be. Like, oh Lord
I think I'll
Jesus.
die. I think I'll die. I'll just be like, dude, what the fuck?
Yeah, like I think you will be like, hey, ये तो ये
Oops. Oops.
oops हो जाएगा, bro.
Oops.
I
You
think
know?
he's getting ideas while he's watching this. Like
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think this
sure.
too has to happen in your proposal. Like
Dun,
I
dun,
think,
dun, dun, dun. Put the
yeah,
background score or whatever.
yeah,
Yeah, so that's what it puts like so much pressure on you guys, especially because we, I don't know, also thanks to the films, expect
yeah.
it.
That the
Yeah,
guy has
I
to
think
do
we
it.
should be
Yeah,
doing it, you know. And you know, all these proposals, firstly from our Western culture, came into our Hindi
yeah,
movies,
man.
and they started proposing for marriage and all, and people started following it here. I don't think
Yep,
if somebody got the trend, it just somebody caught on, and all these guys started going like abroad to like Mauritius and like and
bro. Eiffel Tower. Like people are proposing there. Some people are proposing, and I'm like, dude, this is an expensive affair to propose a person. Like, you know,
exactly.
I always thought that this is gonna be like, hey, come on, let's, you know what, you don't want to get married like that type, but no, it has to be like, and it has to be photographed. If it's not, then it's a fail.
Then who
Like,
knows
you know what
about
I'm
it?
trying to say?
Then who
Then nobody
knows?
knows about it. Then that's not the
Then
point
it's
of
just
it.
both of y'all. Doesn't make sense.
Yeah. So I was,
The
and you know
photographer is
the
necessary.
yes, and the worst bit of this is that okay, you're a group of friends, and if you're a group of 6 friends, one of them does it,
Over.
everyone's life is hell. Everyone's life is
Buddy,
hell.
you gotta do it. You gotta go
You
one
got
notch
to,
up.
yeah, and by the sixth one, I think the sixth person doesn't get married at all. He's like, छोड़ bro, वो top
इससे
तो नहीं
ज्यादा
होने
मैं
वाला
तो जा ही नहीं
है.
सकता, कंगाल हो जाऊंगा.
हाँ, ज़्यादा नहीं होने वाला, छोड़. So
Yeah.
it is pressure, bro. Like it is a lot of pressure,
Yeah, it is.
but as long as you know you're doing it for the person you love, uh, and like you know, and not showing it to the world. So I think that kind of a proposal can be a sweet, cute, innocent one. Like you
I
know,
think
you
if
don't
it's
have to always go
intimate,
to.
it's a little more intimate and it's just,
Yeah,
you know, without
yeah,
being like,
man. Like
get like some 40 balloons or whatever, and you know, like,
I know. I would not like as a human being. I would not want to get proposed at the Eiffel Tower. You know what I'm trying to say? Like
yeah,
that's
but I
just too
think
much
it's
for
too
me. Like I
much. I
can't.
think I would
Yeah.
run. I think like,
Yeah,
no, go.
exactly. I would be like, listen. I don't think so. This is
Going
like
back.
let's yeah. Like I'll see you in the hotel room
Bye, bye,
later.
bye.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, no,
So
I'm agreed.
yeah, I don't know how people do it. Like it's good for them. Like it's to each his own.
But that's what I'm
But
telling you, Ayush. I feel like people are really influenced by it, and like a
mm,
certain reaction that you have to give when you're proposed, like the and the
Oh yeah,
you know?
I
And
know.
I was like, I don't think I would do that.
Yeah, I would just be like, hey, nice. Oh,
I'd
okay,
be like, oh wow, like I'd be
why
like,
are you
wow.
sitting down? Get up. Like,
No,
okay,
I'd be
I
like,
get
oh
it.
wow. I don't think I'd cry. I mean, I'm sure people are more emotional than
You
I am.
don't know, like maybe you might cry. Yeah. It's
No,
not
dude,
happened.
it's like I'm sure I've discussed about it. Now that's what I'm saying. The whole proposal,
You've spoiled it for yourself. No, you're a filmmaker now. You just like plan.
everybody discusses it. You're going to just propose to Ashna randomly? What
I've
if you say no?
discussed it.
Aren't you
Like
scared?
I let's not go there only right now. This topic only gets me very nervous. So let's just see how this is gonna be. I don't know when it's gonna be, but it's just like I just want it to be.
They're always expecting to find somebody, or like, between friends, some romance is going to happen, or even though it's stupid and but at the back of your mind, you're always thinking कि ये हो सकता है ना मेरा राज मिल जाए मुझे, vibe. Because most of the rom-coms that we see, like I was just doing a reading of it and I realized that almost 77% of our population normally they fall in love with somebody who's their friend after becoming friends, and they fall in love with them. In our rom-com, nothing like that happens. First you're supposed to
Nothing.
hate the person. After you hate the person, then it's love, bro.
Or you have to fall.
You have to
Like
fall.
you're polite somewhere and you have to fall, and it just has to be like either the love starts from there, one side. I don't know actually anyone who's had love at first sight.
I don't know. Yeah, even I frankly don't know. I mean, it really only happens in films, because she has the hair flying. So if maybe the girls had that, maybe love at first sight would happen.
Maybe.
The hair flying and maybe like some, like slow mo background music. तो हो सकता है प्यार, है ना?
अब या फिर सबके लिए बच भी जाता है वो. Like in the movies, you see the girl and suddenly background music starts playing
Exactly.
and wind starts coming at that point of time.
That blower
मेरा
fan
तो
is
ऐसा
there,
हुआ
na?
नहीं. हाँ, मेरे साथ ऐसा, how I started dating Ashna, I didn't even see her. Like before we started dating, we were chatting on MSN Messenger,
So
and that's how,
old love.
and that's how. So I had not seen her, and like we were just chatting for 5-6 months, and I just seen her profile picture, and she'd seen my profile picture, which was horrible. I don't know. I didn't like it was really bad. I don't know how and then we met for the first time on the 31st. We started dating on the 22nd of December, 2006, I think. And we she met me for the first time on the 31st of December, and she was taller than me.
Is she?
She was back then.
Okay.
And like we were in 10th standard, like we were just gonna give our boards, and we were in 10th standard, and that's how it happened, and I became taller than her. Like
See,
that's not
that's
an
what you
issue.
became friends with her. You all
Yeah,
spoke for so many months. There was a certain connection, and then it happened. It's not like you met her, or you like and it's like you stalked her, and stalkers are the ones who actually have a golden heart. I hate that whole concept. When the guys are like stalking you, but actually he genuinely loves you. But you're a stalker, bro. You're scaring the shit out of me, man.
I know what you're saying. Yeah.
You know?
And right now, in today's day and age, so it's damn simple, man. Back then, it used to be tough because things were not online. But right now, though,
Now,
man, you can track anything, anywhere of anyone.
yeah, and our
So it becomes scary.
yeah, and I'm happy that over a period of time, except for that movie with Shahid Kapoor, I forgot the name, wherein we are changing the whole, and people are understanding that even if you like a girl, running after her, or like randomly sending her text, or like going below her house, or like suddenly coming where she's with her friends is not okay. I mean, it might have a heart of gold, but dude, you're
Yeah,
scaring the
it's
shit
it's
out of
it's
me.
like it's a little wrong to
It
do
is
these
a
things.
little wrong. And in our movies, they show ki itna cute hai, he loves her so much, or like,
That's
he's
yeah,
actually just wanting her for him to love him back.
yeah.
But
But in real life, if you see the same scenario, it feels a little creepy
dude,
and
it's
it feels a little
scary.
annoying. Yeah, it's scary also. Like imagine somebody's sitting before you, have come to that place, and he's like, "Hey, what's up?" And you go to the next place, and he's already there.
Dude, I'd
That's just
run.
I'd be like, "What is this guy's deal?" Like
Even if
imagine
it's
if
a
it
girl,
happening.
even if it's a girl, Ayush, like,
Yeah,
I'm
man.
sure, like, she's texting you and then she's like, this is, and suddenly she's like, I saw you the other day, and you're like, dude, what the hell? Like,
Bro, I'll tell you, like this has happened with me so many times where I had gone to get an MRI done, dude. I had gone to get an MRI done long back. I
okay.
was I was sitting at the clinic and I was just on my phone and I see uh, a message on my Instagram saying white shirt में बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो.
I would have been.
And I did not know if I was supposed to look right or left or in my phone only. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, because you're caught in the middle of like, what
Yeah,
the
I'm
hell?
caught in the middle and this happens a lot of times where you just go somewhere and you're sitting on the table and probably having dinner with Ashna or my friends, and then they'd be like, okay, chicken tikka is not the best dish what you ordered. And I'm like,
Dude, that shut
oh
up. I can't
Lord
believe like that is
Jesus.
just like
Yeah, that is scary. uh, uh, it can also be deemed as love,
love. But that's what
but
I'm saying. There is
but
a
there's a
line.
very thin line which you should like not. But since social media is also very new in our country, it takes a little while for people to understand that this is the line you should not cross. And it's awareness about a lot of these things which slowly they get to know, and I think they learn, or
Yeah,
they should people should be made aware of. I don't know.
yeah, but Ayush, you're talking about like today's time in terms of social media, right? But
Yeah.
I'm talking about like quite a lot of time back, like because this has happened with me and it was damn freaky. So like when the guy would not get the girl, he'd like cut his nerve and like like, and
Yeah, man.
and then the
Hmm.
girl's like going crazy and then she'd come and hug him and suddenly everything is great or whatever. And there was this guy in my school, I'm not going to name him, and he really liked me and he asked me out, and obviously I was like, dude, no, like, I'm sorry, like, I'm not to you. And I was okay and I was fine and all. And then later on, like, he was in my class, okay, and he had that really long blade sort of thing, and he was
Oh
like,
no.
I swear to God, and he was just like, like, and I don't think he was cutting his nerve because he was so scared, but he was just like making like these thin lines, on it.
What are you saying?
And in my head, one of my stupid friends told me, just say yes because he will like kill himself. I'm like, dude, I'm not gonna say yes. Let him do whatever the fuck
Yeah.
he
Oh
wants,
man, dude, this is
especially after this.
shit.
And
That's really hectic, man.
finally, I lost it and I went and told the teacher, and I was like, dude, he's gone mad and he's cutting his hand. I don't know what he's gonna do. And this is like a small incident, but I'm sure
Yeah, man.
a lot of people
Like
have
in Bombay,
in
I don't
Bombay.
know like what would happen in places
In
which
places like
like the awareness is a little
एग्जैक्टली
lesser.
दे आर थिंकिंग दैट दिस भाई ये लड़के ने ऐसा किया उसके घर पे गया बोला आई लव यू एंड व्हाटएवर टुक हर विद हिम आई विल आल्सो डू
Yeah.
दैट मे बी दैट्स हाउ शी इज
Oh
गोना से
yeah.
yes. So I have a problem with that kind of display of love.
For sure. As cinema lovers, I feel and even filmmakers and even producers, we should just know the thin line between what to portray and what not to portray. And even if it's an extreme romance, there should not be uh, you know the character in the end should not
Be a
uh,
hero because
should yeah
out
should
of doing something like
probably not be portrayed as a hero, or probably should learn that whatever steps he took was wrong, or there's
no,
some sort of
because there's a certain
redemption.
amount of responsibility we have,
there
right?
is there is certainly a lot of responsibility, because a lot of people follow cinema
Like
what
blindly.
yeah, they do. So I feel like we are nobody to judge the kind of romantic relations people have. But as filmmakers and as producers, I think we can make that bifurcation or line or demarcation that, listen, let's not portray certain things certain way. It might influence in the wrong way, or even if it's if that's the vision you want to stick to, just have it said in a manner which still makes the hero not the hero, is what
Exactly.
the
It's what
idea is.
yeah, and what I completely agree with also, because then see, some people, I mean, even if you don't do something like that because you want to make your own kind of cinema and you have every right to, but unfortunately, there are some fools watching that kind of cinema who take it in the wrong way. you might be even like, every filmmaker has their own point of view and it's not what the other person takes away. But if it's not sometimes a little spoon fed, the person takes it in the complete wrong manner and will start doing all this nonsense, So I feel that ways we have a sort of slight responsibility की मतलब ये सब करो ना ये करो
Exactly.
do this.
ये उसके बाद any Shah Rukh Khan film, you can do everything whatever Shah Rukh Khan does.
Yeah, you can do anything and everything.
That's the beauty of romance, you don't have to probably think too hard on it, but romance can just brew from anything. Meeting at coffee machines every day in a lunch break, like, you know what I'm trying to say,
Yeah.
is a sweet kind of romance. It's just
something so small, it's for the small things that just
yeah, it's
something
that's
just
what
starts. Yeah.
for me that's what makes romantic films or shows more beautiful, because of the simplicity of it, because being
and also they also feel good.
Yeah, being
I love it.
extravagant is something which I don't think so 90% of the population on this planet can do, but
Agreed.
yeah, so I think the small things is something which I would be like, hey, yeah, this is so nice that maybe I should do this with my girlfriend, or maybe I should do it with somebody. Yeah, like, you know what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
If somebody else can do it with
exactly.
somebody,
I was like, maybe I should do it. I was like, अच्छा ठीक है, okay.
No, bro. No. You have friends also. You can like
give your friend an idea.
Yeah, man. Like you can.
भाई ये कर ये मेरे picture देखा.
You can watch the film with Nikhil. Like, it's nice.
Yeah, no, I agree to that. And because I feel a lot of people, even though they see these really like very like large things happening, on screen in terms of romance and stuff like that, and the girl's leg has to pop when she kisses and all that jazz, and all these really like they're done it sort of vibe. I think if it really happens to somebody in real life, they're not going to like it, dude. They will not know how to react. I know because luckily I have kept some few friends who are not from the industry, and that keeps me a little sane. So it was her birthday, and obviously her boyfriend wanted to do something big and stuff like that. And so you know what he did? He put rose petals from the rose petal in garden from the entrance of her house till the table where the cake was. Okay. I don't know how many petals that guy must have got because it was such a thick layer. Okay. Such a thick layer.
Wow.
Okay. And you should have seen her face when she opened the door. She was like it was literally like if her father was not there, she would have been like, what the fuck is this?
It was that. Like she was just shocked.
Yeah, she was really taken aback. She was like, this is a little too much, right? Like, what the hell is going on? So I saw that reaction in her, and I swear if this was in a film, and a girl would have entered and there were candles, and suddenly we'd be like, see, now we want something like that, do something like that, like, but you don't.
And that's the worst part about, like, in a normal romance, things are more beautiful, and then you try to ape things which are not natural to you, and that's when it starts seeming like, oh no, this is just going. And then once one person has done something for you, then sometimes you feel that you have to overpower that, and then it's a pressure situation game for both of them. So rather than that, it's okay to, even if you don't celebrate any days, Valentine's Day, anniversary, this and that, you probably go for a dinner. It's okay. Like, I think that's normal to not celebrate every anniversary. It's really okay, man. Like, just have a good time with each other whenever you're together. That's all it matters.
Maybe a random day when you go out for a dinner or whatever can be an amazing thing. Even better than a Valentine Day,
Yeah, like the pressures of a date is not to be taken seriously as compared to the whole relationship. I feel if you're happy in the whole relationship, days and dates and all those things really don't matter.
Yeah, that's saying that. But since we spoke so much about romance and all that jazz, what is your favorite rom-com? So to say,
yeah, I don't know.
Are you a rom-com? You watch, right? Rom-com.
I watch a lot of rom-coms.
You're not like those kind of guys who are like, oh no, I'm not going to watch a chick flick or a rom-com.
No. I even cry in chick flicks.
Secretly, all guys, when they start sitting, they want to see the whole film.
I am the one who says let's watch it.
Oh,
So
क्या बात है?
so I really like rom-coms, and there's no two ways about it. Uh, my favorite rom-com, it's not a rom-com. Like, I don't like films which are solely based on romance. Like, I want something else happening, and
Like a
romance
comedy?
is also, like, I tell you the example. Like, I like Jerry Maguire a lot.
Oh yes.
Uh, so that's my kind of a romance where the plot is something else, and there is an underlying romance
Underline
which is
romance.
also going on, which is nice. So those kind of films, Jerry Maguire is my favorite romantic film of all time.
And if you had to say
Uh,
something in Bollywood, you messed up.
Something in Bollywood. Yeah, bro, I've grown up watching DDLJ, so I don't even have to like.
DDLJ over कुछ कुछ होता है.
Yeah, I like DDLJ more, and I like Kuch Kuch Hota Hai also, but I think I also love I like Ye Jawani Hai Diwani also. I like it a lot. Like, I feel the romance in that was also like a underlane, like
Underlay,
something
na?
or the other was something was happening. Then
Like
recent
even
romance.
yeah, I really like that film. Sorry to break you in. Like even in the end, I love the fact that he just came with 2 balloons.
Yeah, like he just came with a champagne and a
Normal,
cake, and he said,
normal.
normally, normal hai, bro. Like, aisa kuch,
And it's not like he
usse,
got a ring. Where would he find a ring? But he
yeah,
didn't. He got a fake
yes,
one. So
yeah.
good. Normal.
See, I even like Band Baja Barat. That is also a very good film, but that still goes to the border of expecting a little sometimes. Like, you
Too
know what I'm trying to
much.
say?
Yeah.
Can be too much, but it's romantic. Yeah, like
It's nice. It gives
that's
like
also like I'm not going to say no. I didn't like that film. I really like that film, but
it's a very nice
when
film actually.
when it's to be associated with closely real life stuff, then I feel
Thoda.
the more real it is, the more it appeals to me as romance. So yeah, I think Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, DDLJ was not real, but still I still love that
Yeah,
film.
DGLJ like the guy leaving
DDLJ
everything.
crossed all
Everything.
crossed everything, you know. Like, he came to her house, he left everything from
He
there.
left, run to London, came to her house, है ना?
And then there's the fight scene. Like, everything was like unreal, but I still believe everything of it. Still.
Yeah.
So
You want
that
the guy to go and get beaten up and all.
so it was so I think that these are my favorite ones. But Jerry Maguire, though, I cannot even tell you how much I love that film. I can just watch it anytime it comes. La La Land. Oh
La La
man.
Land is beautiful.
Actually, La La Land, how did I forget La La Land? La La Land is one of my
La La Land
favorite
is
romantic films. The last scene, the last look in the film just says so much about romance, which people have to understand that it doesn't necessarily like, you don't have to be hung over on a person to love them. Like, you can just be happy about where they are right now and
in
still love
still
them,
love them.
as
Yes.
compared to I
मुझे
have to be with
चाहिए
yeah,
डर.
yeah, like that chahiye. So that La La Land, for that reason, is one of my favorite films. That last look of both of them, that the
How they
nod,
knew.
they
Yeah.
knew
Which
that
is
they both love each other. They were right for each other at that point of time,
not anymore.
and not anymore. It's
No.
okay. Like, keeping it like real over there is
Yeah.
phenomenal. So yeah, La La Land also please add to my list.
Yes, I will add to your list. I was going to say Baby Driver.
Yeah, I've not seen it. Baby Driver isn't it a car chasing action film?
Yeah, but it has love.
Oh, it has love.
It has love.
Yeah, I'm binging on Schitt's Creek right now. So
So good.
there,
I finished it.
yeah. So the romance between David and
David.
Patrick, my God,
Amazing,
it's so
dude.
beautiful. It's so
So
beautiful.
nice. It's so, and it's a
Yeah.
very well written show,
Yes,
Schitt's Creek.
it
Like
is.
how
It is.
you don't know what's going to happen next, even though like
And it's the journey of those characters, where they started from season 1 to where they've reached
where
in
they
season
reach.
6.
Yes.
It's beautiful. So I really like that show. So right now I'm binging on that, and I really love that romantic angle between Patrick and David. Like, it's so beautiful.
Very well done.
Even the dad and the mom, Moira, and
Moira and I forgot his
I
name.
don't know what the dad's name is. I don't know.
She keeps screaming his name. I can't recollect it, but she keeps saying his name, no? When she's going through a melody.
Yeah, I know. She does.
Johnny.
She keeps calling him John.
John,
Yes.
but it's Johnny, but John.
Yes. So John. Yes. So
John,
even the romance
she was.
between John and Moira is so beautiful.
Yeah,
It's
I
really,
love it. I love it.
yeah,
So,
man. So overall, like, it's, I think the true essence of romance is if it comes from the heart and it's very real. I think that's when it starts appealing them, and in the day and age we are right now, I think that's where we are going, and that's how it should be.
I was thinking if you ever got a chance to do a rom-com feature, who would you like it to be with?
To be with,
See, many young
I
girls right now in the industry, so you can
I
choose.
don't know any one of them, so I would love to do one with Alia Bhatt. Yeah, well, like, why not? I'm a huge fan of Alia
So it's
Bhatt.
always two girls and one guy, na, normally. So who's the other girl?
Like, I really am fond of Alia Bhatt. She's such a
She's
fabulous
fab.
actor. She's
Yeah.
fabulous. And if the other actor is, I don't know who the other actor is. The other actor has to be older than me. Like I said, then we can
Acha.
take the leap with
You want one your age and then you want one like
yeah, ऐसा कुछ.
older.
Then we can think about Deepika Padukone
Oh,
or Priyanka Chopra, any one of them. Like, because I genuinely am a huge fan of these like three
three
actresses. I
actresses.
generally love all their stuff.
So if there's anybody listening, you know who Ayush wants for the next film.
I hope it was just that simple. I really hope,
Yeah.
but yeah, I hope one day it does become.
Inshallah, it should.
Yes,
So cool. Yeah. Thank you for coming and speaking and letting
of
everybody know that they
course.
should not be overly obsessed with.
Even if you are, do it in a safe way where both you are comfortable and the girl is comfortable.
Yeah.
That
Please,
is very important.
please. So
Uh,
important.
do not take proposal pressures. But if your partner likes it, then do it for the person,
We
because
like laughing.
yeah, because that's what you have to. Because you have to live with that person throughout.
Yeah.
So it is a
You don't want to be
mandatory.
taunted for the rest of your life.
Yeah,
You
for the
didn't do
rest of your
that.
life.
You didn't do
So
that.
just do it. And yeah, that's about it, man. Like, I don't know, like, romance is not to be thought of so much. It
So
just,
much.
keeping it simple is the
Natural
best.
flow.
Natural flow, keeping it simple, doing mundane things together and enjoying that is what I think the idea of romance for me is now. Like, like just watching TV for 3 hours and not talking. Okay, fair enough. We've
It's
not
fine.
spoken.
It's
It's
fine.
fine, man.
You're
Like, you don't have
together.
it. It doesn't mean that, oh no, there's something wrong with the. It's okay. Like,
Yeah, that's very true. It's really nice thing that you said because a lot of people take that also into like, ki, yeah, we were sitting together and we never spoke for 3 hours. But we were together.
yeah, we're together and we're very comfortable in silence. Being comfortable in silence is
One most
something
important thing.
which you have to understand. Like, I have times where I've driven from probably Churchgate to Juhu, uh, and Ashna and I were just listening to songs and we
And
didn't
that's
even
a
talk.
beautiful moment, right?
Yeah, that was just nice. We were
Just
listening to
being
songs.
together,
Yeah,
enjoying
being
the
together,
life.
listening to song, and we read Juhu, and we were like, oh man, we read Juhu, and you're like, yeah, man, we didn't even know. Like, both of us were like listening, enjoying, and it was just nice. It
Yeah.
didn't necessarily mean that I have to, like, listen, how are you feeling? Oh shit, you're not talking. Oh, what is
Why you're not
happening? Are you
talking? What
feeling?
are you thinking about
Uh,
right now? Tell me what you're
yeah, are
thinking
you?
about.
Yeah,
Take it easy, man. Have some
space,
fun.
bro.
Yeah.
Give me space.
Agreed.
You
That's also
keep
a very
space.
important thing.
Yeah,
Yeah. Fully agree.
fully.
Fully. I hope some people get some advice
Okay.
out of this and
I hope,
understand.
and if even if you don't want to take our advice, please,
Don't.
it's really okay.
We
Like,
don't
this
care.
was just,
This is just
yeah,
what we think.
yeah, this is what we think. This is
If you
our
want to
opinion.
go and do this, do
Yeah,
it.
you can. Please do it. Please send
Please
us a
go for
video
it.
also.
Oh yeah, please
Please
send us
send
a
us a
video.
video of it
I want to
also.
see
How
that
it.
video
I
for
really want to
sure.
see कि ये कैसा हुआ. अगर ये अच्छा हुआ होगा तो हम लोग भी यही कर लेंगे.
If
अगर
it
ये,
works, if it got
if
a
it
good response,
works, we'll also do it. Like,
it's a
we just
hit.
want somebody to try it,
To
like, as
go
a
for it first,
first, like, show us a little faith in it, and then we'll also do it.
And you see the trend. You see a bit followers. So cool,
ठीक है.
man. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye. See
Bye
you.
bye.